Okay, so today we are reviewing a Minnie Mouse microwave, and we've already taken it out of the box, as you can see. The little one there didn't want to wait, so we started at it. So today this has 8 pieces total: 2 graham crackers, a marshmallow, piece of chocolate, a soup, a pretzel, popcorn, and of course the microwave. So, are you going to show us how it works? Yeah? Okay, let's see. As you can see, it's pink, and it has a cute little bow with a Minnie Mouse on it. And would you like some help opening it? Okay. So you go ahead and you put in your item. She's going to cook us some soup. Close it. Go ahead. And she presses start. And ta-da! Nice. It spins around and lights up inside. It's very cool. Delicious, huh? What else are you gonna make?
Cookies.
Oh, she's gonna cook the graham crackers.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
And start.
I sure am hungry.
It has different sayings, and there it goes.
What a wonderful smell.
How fun. Oh, hold on, sis. You gotta hold on to it. You got it. Good job. So as you can see, it has Minnie Mouse heads on the top. It also has a picture of Minnie right on the bow.
Time to enjoy our treat.
Excuse me. And this is recommended for ages 3 and above. However, she is 2 and she is able to go ahead and use it.
Cooking together is so much fun. I love making healthy snacks. Yummy.
All right. And she has made a pretzel. Awesome. So it has 6 different buttons as well, one for each item that is available, and also the Minnie Mouse start. Very cool. It has little flowers on the sides, and
Time to eat.
it has the on, off, and try me, and she is still in try me mode, so let's click it to on. All the Minnie Mouse heads.
Oh, the snacks are ready.
And it seems that it just goes a little longer when you press the actual buttons. So, very, very fun. Alright everyone, we thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos. And there she is. Very fun. And we will see you on the next toy review. Say bye!